everybody. We are excited to celebrate our academic excellence. This is, I know I say it several times a year, but I really do think this is my favorite assembly of the year, because this assembly represents everything we do coming together and showing that it's working, and that everybody here is working hard, all of our families are working hard and working with us, and it's all coming together to show in our kids' success, which is what our goal is.
Students, staff, and families gathered to celebrate the academic achievement of students who scored proficient or advanced on their spring math test. And they even welcomed back last year's fourth graders who are now at Jefferson to celebrate.
We are so excited to have our graduates back and to be able to see them and celebrate them and reconnect with them. And then for all of our current students, it's great to celebrate our success, because that also reminds us why we are doing what we're doing every day.
And it was easy for Lincoln families to celebrate their Lions.
That's her first grade when she came here to United States in 2019, and then she's progressing. She's progressing what we beyond what we expect. It's a very wonderful experience for me, and I'm proud of her and the school staff, everybody.
I think that the staff is very caring. They really show personal interest in each of the kids. They really see them as unique individuals, and they really find ways to cater to each kid's individual learning styles. And their communication with parents is excellent.
Everything we do is for the kids and for their success. So for them to be able to show it is just the best we could ever ask for.
And it's easy for students to focus on their academic goals when they recite their school's chant.
Big three. We're safe, we're respectful, we're ready to learn.